Of the following languages on the input alphabet 0, 1 is slash or regular. Two languages were given. L1 is non-empty string with the last symbol equal the first symbol. L2 is odd length strings with the first symbol equal to the middle symbol. So here in language L1 we are having the strings with the last symbol equal to first symbol. Actually the alphabet is 0, 1. For example, if the last symbol is 0, the first symbol should be 0. If the last symbol is 1, the first symbol should be 1. That means we can have a regular expression like 0, 0 plus 1 whole star 0 or 1, 0 plus 1 whole star 1. So L1 is a regular language. L1 is a regular language. Now let us see L2. Odd length strings with the first symbol equal to the middle symbol. So first symbol, middle symbol equality, odd length strings, we cannot have any regular expression. So that this L2 is not a regular language, only L1 is the regular language. Option A is the right option here. The tree is, as shown in the figure, is traversed post order and each element is pushed onto a character stack S as it is encountered in the order. The following code segment is then executed. The code segment is given as for int I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. CHA is equal to s dot pop. What value is contained in the variable CHA after the segment is executed? So here given with for loop, that is with integer I, this for loop will be executed 5 times. When each time it is executed, the top of the stack will be taken into CHA. So finally after the execution is over of this code segment, what will be there in the CHA? That we need to find out. Options are F, D, G and B. So first of all, we have to consider this tree in a post order format because the tree is traversed in a post order. So first of all, in a post order, the format is left, right and root. If we take a tree, we have to traverse the left subtree, again right subtree, again the root. So for the root is A here, the left subtree is containing only one node, that is B. So that the first node will be B. And the next will be right subtree. In a right subtree, again C is a root, and for C, D and F are the left subtrees and E and G are the right subtrees. In this left, again D is a root, again left, that is F. After B, we will get F. There is no right subtree for D, so that the root will be taken, that is D. Again, right for the C, E and G. Again E is a root, there is no left, so that we take right, that is G. Again after G, the root will be taken, that is E. And after E, we will take that main root on the right subtree, that is C, and again the root node, that is A. So B, F, D, G, E, C, A. This is the post order traversal for the given tree. B, again we take F, G like this. B, F, D, G, E, C, A. So as you are encountering this post order traversal, we need to push in the same order into the stack. So first what element will be pushed? B will be pushed. Let us suppose this is the stack. Next F will be pushed. Next D will be pushed. Next G. Next E. Next C. Next A. So top element is A. Each time when the for loop is executed, top element will be taken into CHA character. That is, the first element is taken is A, next element is C, next E, next G, and the fifth element is D, because the for loop is exited after 5 times. That means we need to consider the fifth element from the top of the stack, so that D will be there in the CHA. So now this option B is the right option here.
In a particular schedule, transaction T2 reads a value previously written by T1 and T3 reads a value previously written by T2. Which of the following ensure the schedule to be cascadeless schedule? For the schedule to be in to to be cascadeless, the read operation, if T2 reads the data item written by T1, then commit operation of T1 must, read operation of T2 must be after the commit operation of T1. Then only the schedule will be cascadeless. Here it is given that T1, here it is given that T1 writes, let the data item be X, then T1 writes the data item X and T2 reads the data item X and writes data item X, and T3 reads the data item X. This is the schedule given, and it is given that the schedule should be cascadeless. In order to, for the schedule to be cascadeless, the commit operation of transaction T1 must be before the read operation of T2. Why? Because if it doesn't commit here, there might be a chance of abort here. If transaction T1 aborts here, then T2 transaction T2 should also abort. Then it will become cascading schedule. So the commit operation should be here, and here also commit operation should be before the read operation of transaction T3. So here correct option is option A. T1 commits before read operation of T2 and T2 commits before read operation of T3. So here correct option is option A.